The culture of Bangladesh is one of the most emotionally expressive and historically resilient cultures in South Asia. Rooted in Bengali civilization, Bangladesh's cultural identity has been shaped by fertile riverlands, ancient kingdoms, spiritual traditions, colonial rule, linguistic resistance, and the struggle for independence. More than anything else, Bangladeshi culture is defined by its deep connection to language, literature, music, and community life. Bangladesh is built on one of the world's largest river systems, and its culture evolved in close relationship with water. Rivers shaped settlement patterns, agriculture, food, music, and worldview. Seasonal floods, monsoons, and fertile soil encouraged collective living, cooperation, and adaptability. This river based civilization produced a culture that values resilience, empathy, and shared survival, which remains central to Bangladeshi identity today. From ancient times, Bengal was known for prosperity, trade, and learning. It attracted merchants, scholars, and travelers from across Asia, contributing to a culture that was open, pluralistic, and outward looking long before modern borders existed. At the heart of Bangladeshi culture lies the Bengali, Bangla language. Language in Bangladesh is not merely a tool of communication, it is a symbol of dignity, resistance, and unity. The language movement of 1952, when students sacrificed their lives to protect Bangla, permanently shaped national consciousness. This movement later inspired UNESCO's International Mother Language Day, underscoring Bangladesh's global cultural impact. Poetry, literature, and storytelling are deeply respected cultural forms. Writers and poets are regarded as moral and intellectual guides, and literary expression is woven into daily life, education, and political thought. Bangladeshi culture has a profound literary heritage. Poetry is especially revered as a medium of emotion, protest, spirituality, and love. Literature historically served as a voice for social justice, human dignity, and cultural pride. Reading, reciting poetry, and public literary gatherings remain common cultural practices. Education and intellectual debate are valued not only for economic progress but as cultural responsibilities, continuing a tradition where knowledge and conscience go hand in hand. Folk traditions are the emotional backbone of Bangladeshi culture. Rural life produced rich musical and spiritual traditions rooted in simplicity and humanism. Ball singers, in particular, represent a unique cultural philosophy that rejects rigid boundaries of religion and caste, emphasizing love, inner truth, and humanity. Their music blends mysticism, poetry, and everyday experience. Other folk traditions express themes of nature, longing, migration, and devotion, reflecting the realities of river life, agriculture, and seasonal change. These traditions are not museum artifacts, they remain alive in villages, festivals, and family gatherings. Religion plays an important role in Bangladeshi life, but culture is shaped equally by coexistence and shared heritage. Islam is the majority faith, but Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity have long contributed to the cultural landscape. Festivals of different communities are widely respected and often shared across religious lines. Religious values reinforce cultural principles such as charity, humility, hospitality, and respect for elders. Rather than rigid separation, Bangladeshi culture reflects a long tradition of interwoven religious and cultural life. Festivals are powerful expressions of unity and identity in Bangladesh. Pohela Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, is a secular cultural celebration embraced by all communities. It fills streets with music, color, art, and collective joy, reaffirming Bengali identity beyond religion. Religious festivals such as Eid and Durga Puja are celebrated with equal enthusiasm, emphasizing family bonds, generosity, and social harmony. Festivals transform private faith into shared cultural experience. Traditional clothing reflects climate, elegance, and craftsmanship. Saris, Punjabis, and lungis remain widely worn, blending practicality with identity. Bangladesh is world renowned for textiles such as Jamdani, once prized by Mughal emperors and global traders. Craft traditions, textiles, pottery, weaving, and folk art are passed down through generations, preserving aesthetic values rooted in simplicity and symbolism. Food culture in Bangladesh reflects geography and emotion. Rice and fish dominate daily meals, supported by lentils, vegetables, and spices. Cooking emphasizes balance rather than excess, and meals are deeply social. Feeding guests is considered a moral obligation, and hospitality is one of the strongest cultural values. Food also carries emotional meaning, linked to memory, festivals, and family life, making cuisine a powerful cultural expression. Modern Bangladeshi culture exists in constant dialogue between tradition and change. Cities embrace contemporary music, film, fashion, and digital creativity, while rural areas preserve folk traditions and communal life. Migration, climate challenges, and globalization continue to reshape cultural expression without erasing its core identity. Bangladeshi culture remains deeply language centered, emotionally expressive, and community oriented. It is a culture forged through struggle, yet defined by hope, creativity, and human connection. Ultimately, the culture of Bangladesh is a culture of voice and resilience. It is shaped by rivers that change course, a language defended with lives, music born from spirituality, and a people who express joy and sorrow with equal depth. It stands as one of South Asia's most powerful examples of how culture can survive hardship and transform it into art, identity, and collective strength.